BRTF launches Indo-Myanmar border fencing project extending from Friendship Bridge to border pillars, strengthening regional security. Political activist Sapam Chakang Leipal launches free computer literacy program for displaced students in Manipur, covering travel costs amid unrest. Manipur police arrest 2 KCPP-WG operatives in Guwahati on charge of recruiting young militants into band group. And Manipur security forces recover large haul of weapons, explosives and ammunition in coordinated search operations across multiple districts. Hello, you're watching IS Primetime English News. I'm Jay Shainam, giving you the news in detail. In a significant move to strengthen the security infrastructure along the Indo-Myanmar border, the Border Roads Task Force BRTF has initiated the fencing work today. The fencing project, covering key areas from the Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge to border pillars number 77, 78 and 79, as well as gate number 2 in More Ward number 5, Muslim Basti, marks an important step towards enhancing border security. The project, which began today, also includes the installation of new border pillars. The fencing works will extend from the Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge to border pillar number 76 near Howland 5 village. The fencing project, which has been long awaited, aims to prevent illegal cross-border activities and secure the region from potential threats. In an effort to ensure smooth execution of the project, personnel from More Police and the 5th Assam Rifles have been deployed on the site for security and supervision. The move aligns with the government's ongoing effort to bolster the border security infrastructure across the region. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Vala emphasized that agriculture remains the backbone of the state, driving economic growth and sustaining livelihoods. Speaking at the inaugural function of the State Krishi Mela 2025 at Iboyaima Shumang Lila Sanglen in Imphal, the governor highlighted the event as a significant platform for sharing innovations, knowledge, and raising awareness about government schemes aimed at enhancing the agricultural sector. During the event, the government interacted with participants from various departments and explored the displays of local products, agricultural equipment, and farm-related items. He inquired about the showcase products and techniques, seeking to understand their applications and benefits. The governor acknowledged the progress made in farming techniques, sustainability, and mechanization over the years. However, he stressed that more effort and efficiency in the sector. He also recognized the Central Agricultural University's crucial role in advancing agricultural research and development. In his address, the governor assured continued support from the government in the form of seeds, guidance, subsidies, and financial assistance to farmers, further highlighting the state's commitment to bolstering the agricultural industry. In a bid to support students from conflict zones and internally displaced individuals in Manipur, political activist Sapam Chakang Leipal has launched a free computer literacy program at his residence in Nongada, Imphal East. The initiative comes at a time when the region continues to grapple with prolonged unrest affecting the education and future prospects of many students. The program aimed at class 10 and 12 students awaiting their results is designed to equip them with essential digital skills, providing them with an opportunity to stay productive and pursue their educational goals despite the challenging circumstances. In a remarkable gesture, Kanglei has announced that he will cover the travel expenses for all participants, ensuring that financial barriers do not hinder their access to the program. Kanglei in his address emphasized the importance of guiding the youth towards constructive paths, especially given the current volatile environment. The initiative is not just about imparting computer skills. It's about offering hope and a direction to those who may feel lost or disillusioned by the situation around them, he stated. The program will run in 2 daily batches to accommodate as many students as possible, offering a chance for them to enhance their skills and broaden their future opportunities. Mangka Mayanglambam, a multifaceted artist and educator, was conferred with the esteemed Women's Achiever Award 2025 by the Governor of Assam. The prestigious honor was presented to Mangka during the annual award ceremony organized by FLO Northeast, the women's wing of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI. The ceremony, which took place on March 21st at the Vivanta Hotel, celebrated the achievements of exceptional individuals who have made a positive impact on society. Mangka's presence at the event was described as inspiring, and the award served as a testament to their outstanding contributions. Mangka was recognized for their tireless dedication to their craft, particularly in promoting art and culture through music. Their commitment to teaching and mentoring hundreds of students was also acknowledged, as it has played a significant role in shaping the next generation of artists. FLO Northeast, with its 20 chapters across the country, has been promoting entrepreneurship and professional excellence among women for over 40 years. The organization empowers women through various initiatives such as workshops, seminars, and training programs, enabling them to showcase their talents and skills while contributing to inclusive economic growth. In a major breakthrough, Manipur police have arrested 2 individuals linked to the banned KCP-PWG insurgent group in a joint operation conducted in Gorchuk, Kamrup Metropolitan District, Guwahati, Assam. The arrested men, identified as Maishnam Bungomacha Singh, also known as Lakpa, from Bishnupur District, and Tekcham Ibomcha Singh from Imphal East, are accused of playing a pivotal role in recruiting young recruits into the ranks of the militant outfit, according to police. Their arrest marks a significant development in the ongoing effort to dismantle KCP-PWG's network, which has been a persistent threat in the region. The 2 were taken into custody in connection with an FIR lodged by Andro Police Station in Imphal East District as part of an investigation into the group's recruitment activities. The reprehension follows the arrests of 4 extortionists associated with KCP-PWG earlier this month, 2 of whom were reportedly enlisted by these very individuals. The operation highlights the growing coordination between Manipur and Assam authorities in curbing militant activity and preventing the further radicalization of youth in the region. In a separate operation, the Manipur police arrested 2 more cadres of KCP-PWG from the Wangoi Lakshmi Bazar area under Wangoi Police Station, Imphal West District, while they were allegedly attempting to extort money from local shops. The arrested individuals, identified as Sarangthem Dines, age 26, and Sanasam Malimnganbi Chanu, age 23, were found in possession of a 2-wheeler and a mobile handset, which were seized by the police as evidence. Meanwhile, in a series of coordinated search operations across the hill and valley districts of Manipur, security forces have recovered a significant haul of weapons, explosives, and ammunition. The operations conducted in vulnerable areas led to the seizure of a variety of firearms and military-grade equipment, highlighting the ongoing efforts to curb illegal activities in the region. According to reports, the recovered items include an array of rifles such as AK-47s, .303 rifles, and modified SKS rifles, along with ammunition, grenades, and mortar shells. In Churachandpur district, forces recovered firearms including an AK-47 rifle, a .303 rifle, and a double-barrel rifle from the foothills of Dampi Ridge. Along with this, explosives like number .36, hand grenades, pipe bombs, and a variety of live rounds were also confiscated. In Imphal West district, near Samusang, Santipur Maninglaikai, forces unearthed an assortment of weapons including a self-loading rifle SLR, DBBL gun, and several grenades, along with mortar launching tubes and communication devices. The operation also resulted in the seizure of smoke grenades and headgear. Meanwhile, in the Saijang Laiching area of Imphal East district, a large cache of weaponry was recovered, including a .22 rifle, a 12 DBBL rifle, and multiple grenades. Notably, security forces also found a number of improvised explosive devices, IEDs, and mortar rounds, further intensifying the threat in the region. The security forces operations also extended to Lokchau, under the More police station in Technopole district, where a country-made 9mm pistol, IEDs, and additional live rounds were seized. The operation reflects the ongoing vigilance of the security forces in maintaining peace and security in the region. In another notable operation, the Manipur police arrested one vehicle lifter, Muhammad Mehta, from Lilong Uku Maning under Lilong police station in Thoubal district. Mehta, who was involved in the theft of vehicles in the region, was apprehended after a series of investigative efforts by the police. Authorities said Mehta had been targeting vehicles in various parts of Thoubal district, stealing them from resale or other illegal purposes. The arrest of Mehta was part of ongoing efforts by the Manipur police to curb vehicle theft and improve safety for residents. During the arrest, police recovered key evidence that could lead to the dismantling of an organized vehicle theft ring operating in the area. This arrest comes as part of the continued efforts of the Manipur police to crack down on illegal activities in the region, with a focus on dismantling militant groups, extortion networks, and criminal elements involved in vehicle theft. Authorities have reiterated their commitment to maintaining peace and security in the state. In a crackdown against illegal liquor trade, a team of special commandos led by Subedar L. Bibekananda Singh seized a significant quantity of Indian-made canned beer in Imphal East district today. At around 4 p.m., during a routine frisking and checking operation around Imphal East and West areas, the team intercepted a Suzuki Petro Super Carry vehicle near Kurai Hekrumakong, Imphal East. Upon inspection, the team discovered 480 cans of Budweiser Premium Can beer hidden in the vehicle. The vehicle, registered as MN06P2187, was seized along with the detained driver, identified as Loitongbam Nautonba Singh, age 25 years, a resident of Sagolban Salam Laikai. The excise team was notified, and the seized items along with the apprehended individual were handed over to the excise department through Haingang police station for further action. The operation highlights the continued vigilance of the special CDO in tackling illegal activities in the region. The authorities are investigating the source of the contraband with a focus on disrupting illegal alcohol trade in the state. In an effort to honor the sacrifices and contributions of veterans, the Spear Corps of the Indian Army organized an ex-serviceman rally at Bishnupur district today. The event aimed to strengthen the bond between the Army and the ex-serviceman community, focusing on their well-being and continued support. The rally also witnessed the presence of SS Kartike, DOC of the Red Shield Division, who show respect and solidarity with the veterans. Approximately 450 veterans, 12 Veer Naris, 70 war widows and their families participated. Among the dignitaries was retired Lieutenant General K.H. Singh, the senior-most veteran, as well as 26 other veteran officers, including retired Colonel Gopendra Puyam, Secretary of the Rajya Sainik Board. During the event, the Corps Commander Abhijit S. Pendhakar expressed deep appreciation for the invaluable contributions of the veterans and recognized the sacrifices of the Veer Naris and Veer Matas. He acknowledged the veterans' role in fostering peace, promoting education and advocating for a drug-free environment in Manipur. The Corps Commander urged the veterans to continue their efforts in guiding the youth toward unity and harmony. He also apprised them of various welfare measures recently undertaken by the Indian Army. The rally also featured dedicated grievance redressal cells, banking services, and the Treasury Office to address issues such as pension anomalies and financial planning. In collaboration with medical specialists from the Army and the District Civil Hospital, free medical checkups, consultations, and essential medicines were provided to the veterans, Veer Naris, and their dependents. A medicine counter was also set up for the distribution of necessary medications following the medical examination. A contempt case has been filed before the High Court of Manipur due to the alleged failure to comply with the directive to increase the strength of the Manipur Home Guards. The court has instructed the concerned respondents to submit their counter affidavits within 2 weeks. The issue dates back to March 29, 2004, when the Director General of the Ministry of Home Affairs, Home Guards, B.L. Vora, wrote to the Central Secretary A.P. Sharma requesting an increase in the strength of the Home Guards to 3,394 personnel. In March 2022, the President of the Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association, Y. Mangi, filed a case before the court emphasizing the need for additional Home Guard personnel in the state. In response to the case, the Commandant General of the Home Guards filed a counter-affidavit stating that recruitment was under the purview of the central government and beyond his authority. Following this, the High Court sought a reply from the central government on December 4, 2024. However, as there was no response, a contempt case was filed on March 28. Y. Mangi expressed that the filing of the contempt case was prompted by the belief that the recruitment of additional Home Guard personnel would help address unemployment issues in the state at least to a minimum level. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD Manipur Regional Office hosted the State Credit Seminar 2025 at Classic Sangai Hall, Hotel Imphal today. The event marked the launch of the State Focus Paper 2025-26 outlining the credit potential and financial planning for rural development in the state. Chief Secretary of Manipur, Prashant Kumar Singh, commended NABARD for its role in the state's rural development. He praised the State Focus Paper, which estimates a credit potential of 3,279 crore rupees, and urged banks to meet targets and ensure credit accessibility for economic growth. Partha Mandal, General Manager of NABARD, highlighted the credit potential distribution of 48% for agriculture, 39% for MSMEs, and 13% for other priority sectors. He also introduced the digital transformation of the State Focus Paper to enhance accessibility. Mandal emphasized support for farmer-producer companies, FPCs, expansion of Kisan Credit Cards, KCC, and the digitization of primary agricultural credit societies, PACs, through the PAC's computerization project. Bandang Air, NABARD's Deputy General Manager, discussed agricultural challenges and low productivity despite agriculture contributing 26.3% to the state's GDP. During the seminar, awards were presented to top-performing banks for their contributions to rural credit and social security. Manipur Rural Bank was recognized in multiple categories, and the State Bank of India received an award for its efforts under the Social Security Scheme. The seminar also featured a video highlighting NABARD's impact on rural development. MPCC President K. Meghachandra Singh launched the Samvidhan Bachao Rashtriya Padyatra Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan campaign at Nachau, Bishnupur district, where he praised the significant contributions of Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in saving the Indian nation and framing the Constitution. He was joined by other prominent leaders such as MPCC Vice President Vidyapati Sanjam, ex-MP Dr. T.H. Mainya, ex-MLA P. Sarachandra, Bishnupur District Congress Committee President M.D. Nur Rahman, and ex-Minister Samuel Jandai, who all participated in the Padyatra. The event, which was part of the ongoing nationwide campaign, also saw the honoring of 98-year-old Congress worker Laishram Satrajit Singh for his long-standing service. In his address, K. Meghachandra Singh emphasized that the Manipur Legislative Assembly could be dissolved at any time due to the violation of Article 174(1) of the Indian Constitution. He also criticized the imposition of President's rule, stating that while it may be extended, the situation was unconstitutional and left the state in suspended animation. He further expressed his concerns about the central government's lack of sincerity in addressing the ongoing turmoil in Manipur, asserting that the youth had no future and the people had lost hope. He demanded that the people of Manipur be given a fresh mandate instead of the continued imposition of President's rule, alleging that the Constitution was being undermined and that citizens were unable to move freely within the state.
Central government na supai paisa na asidi sanani marmasina ekoi samvidhan kananaba miyamgi asiguba miyamgi hak mayam singaro ikai khunna gi namata ngasi mafam pudi makta Manipur ki Congress Party Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki leader singa ngasi mafam pudi makta tuna samvidhan kananaba dileba kasi ekoi ki hak leroi iske nasi ekoi ki hak leroi ekoi puno makna naha singi sabat orang ahal mereka singi sarkar ki scheme phangna na ko hak imai kar singi rupi singi hak lada masingi naha singi right hai masingi thabak phangna na ki hak mayam sigado appa sarkar bharat ki samvidhan ki kai nama adi ko sarkar amole ko matamda ai koi soitana miyam ki kholawo ta nani amasu adu ko dictators ki mongado भारत की लेगा किसी चतरी को मोदी की लेगा किसी चतरी को मैं आम सिंह तो मैं कोई लेगा किसी लेगी को मैं कहीं कोई ठीक ना वो मरो ये है उसे
Mizoram Chief Minister Laldu Homa has reshuffled the portfolios of 7 ministers in a strategic move aimed at streamlining governance and enhancing administrative efficiency. The reshuffle, announced through a notification by Chief Secretary Kili Ram Meena, includes key changes across various departments with several ministers taking on new responsibilities. Home Minister K. Sabdangao's portfolio has seen a significant expansion. He will now oversee the home, urban development and poverty alleviation and personal and administrative reforms departments. The disaster management and rehabilitation portfolio, which was previously under Sabdangao, has been reassigned to Minister of State Professor Lalnil Loma. Lalnil Loma will continue to manage the rural development and administration as well as public health engineering departments. Minister of State Lalnanghing Lova Mar has been entrusted with the tourism portfolio, which was previously handled by Cabinet Minister Lalwin Pui. Along with tourism, Mar will continue overseeing sports and youth services, labor employment, skill development and entrepreneurship, and excise and narcotics. Lalwin Pui, in turn, will now focus on health and family welfare as well as social welfare and women and child development. Cabinet Minister C. Lalso Vunga has been assigned the Horticulture Department, previously managed by Lalnil Loma. In addition to this new responsibility, he will continue to handle art and culture, district council and minority affairs, and animal husbandry and veterinary. A notable change involves the merger of the Information and Public Relations Department with the Printing and Stationery Department. The newly created portfolio of Information, Public Relations, Printing and Stationery has been allocated to Cabinet Minister Vallal Lana, who will also continue managing school education, higher and technical education, and information and communication technology. Minister of State F. Roding Liana, who previously managed printing and stationery, has now been entrusted with the Power and Electricity and Commerce and Industries departments. These changes are seen as part of the Chief Minister's ongoing efforts to optimize the functioning of the state government and improve the delivery of services to the people of Mizoram. Before we end, the headlines once again. BRTF launches Indo-Myanmar border fencing project extending from Friendship Bridge to border pillars, strengthening regional security. Political activist Sapam Chakanglepal launches free computer literacy program for displaced students in Manipur, covering trouble caused amid unrest. Manipur police arrest 2 KCP PWG operatives in Guwahati on charge of recruiting young militants into band group. And Manipur security forces recover large haul of weapons, explosives and ammunition in coordinated search operations across multiple districts. That's all we have in this Primetime English Bulletin. Next we have IS Primetime Manipuri News at 9 p.m. Till then, good night.